This is my old ceiling fan in one of our bedrooms. And this is a new modern one. Stick around and I'll show you how to replace the ceiling fan with a cool modern light fixture. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First, before you do any type of electric work, find your electrical panel and turn off the circuit breaker. Make sure that the light actually turns off by toggling the switch back and forth. Next, there are typically two screws that are holding this cap on the ceiling fan. Use a short Phillips head screwdriver and remove them. I'll have the links to the type of screwdriver I used in the description below. Then lift up the fan assembly and pull it out of the slot. While holding it with one hand, use your other hand and remove all the wire nuts. It may be easier to get someone to help you if you can't do this by yourself. Once the 3 wire nuts are removed, the fan assembly is free. If you're installing another ceiling fan, then you might be able to use the existing bracket on the new ceiling fan. Now, speaking of fans, you can become a fan of this channel by hitting that subscribe button. In my case, I'll be installing a Sputnik chandelier light fixture, so I'll need to remove it by unscrewing these 2 screws on the top. Next, I unboxed my new light fixture, the Sputnik Chandelier by Light Society, and laid out everything on the table. Then, I took the smallest extension that the light came with, ran the light wires through it, and attached it to the light fixture. Next, I ran the wire through the part that attaches to the ceiling and removed the mounting bracket. Then I attached the mounting bracket to the ceiling with 2 long screws. I also attached the ground wire with this green screw on the mounting bracket. Next, measure the amount of wire you will actually use and cut off the rest. Make sure you properly strip the wires before installing the fixture. Then connect the wires with the wire nuts, black to black, white to white, and green to ground. Next, I installed the 2 nuts that attach the fixture to the mounting bracket, and finally screwed in 18 different light posts. I'm not sure why we need so many lights in this fixture, but that's what my wife picked out. Here's what it ended up looking like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.